If you don't have the right tools, no matter how hard you try, your shirt won't come out neat nor professional. Now let me show you the 10 basic tools that you will need to sew your male shirt perfectly and professionally, even as a beginner. Now, apart from your sewing kit, like your ruler, your curves, your scissors, your tape measurement, and all those ones, these are all the other basic things that you need to make your shirt. Like this one now is your collar stay. We use cloth stays for shirt. This is the collar stay. This one here is your lady stay. You use it for female collars. This is for your button stand, your front stay. You can see patterns for your collars that I cut from this cloth stay, and this one I cut it from this cloth stay, the collar stay. Of course, you need your button. Then for the packaging, this is the packaging nylon, this is the packaging pin. You also need your collar bones. You need this when you are making your collar. You need it for the edges of the collar. Inside here, you also have a longer collar bone that you use to package the neck of your shirt so it doesn't collapse. This is the cardboard. You need this also. You use it for packaging. That's the reason why this shirt is still like this. You can see that there's the cardboard inside it. Yes, it has a pin, it has a collar bone inside. Then this is the packaging nylon. All those things you need them to make your male shirt. Okay, now that we have all our training materials ready, the next thing is to go and start sewing our shirt.